interesting thing going on, guys. The top gainer for today for the blue chip company is APLD and BE. Those top stocks, guys, have major news going on. APLD, of course, we're going to discuss the fundamental and the technical for both of them, because one of them have really great earnings turning from negative to positive, and the other one have a huge contract from Donald Trump and energy sector. So there is a lot of news regarding both. So we have to discuss both of them before a major jump. Again, for this year, we might have another 1000% because it already did 1000%. So before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes. So as we said, APLD had a huge earnings, as you see here, guys. Reported was around negative 0.07, turning really in positive in earnings and even in revenue. And now we have a huge jump, 9% yesterday, 10%, and testing major resistance around the 35.68. Now it's pulling back for another a chance for a loading up, because in the market open we have a huge loading up around this bottom. The market reverse big time, as you see here, guys, from the 31 until 35, very quick in few minutes, and now have a chance for another squeeze if we broke over the 35.60 to go toward huge levels around the 36 and maybe even the $40 before the end of this month. This stock, guys, if you don't know, is one of the top gainers last year, and did just in less than 1 month 63%, a huge reversal. As we said, huge earnings that happened on Wednesday after hours. And of course, this one we already discussed on our Discord. Let me just show you what we did. We did it on our swing trade. We did APLD, we did TRY, of course, the one that jumped yesterday after huge earnings. And the APLD, we did it here before the earnings, once the price was on 31.68. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join and don't miss those kind of jump before the earnings or before major news. The other stock that we have to discuss is B, which is have a huge news lately about like almost 2.65 billion deal, and this was a huge number, because as you see here for B, just from this month this year, man, it did 25% from 100, now 130, and it's still squeezing up. So we have to watch out for the 125.79, because if we held this support, we have a expect level around the 133 and 114. And of course, there's another thing that changed everything is price target change, an upgraded price target for B, and this is made B like came on the radars for investors before for this year. So watch out for both those stocks, because both of them are the top stocks for top picks, of course, for us for this month, and of course the rest of the year. So you see, APLD is not even coming back and testing. So we might have even the breakout for today, another breakout, and maybe we do 20%. This would be really crazy if we did that for today, but it's not abnormal, because APLD have a huge volatility and huge opportunity to go for a new high. So let me know, guys, what you think, which one would be the best pick for this year, APLD or B, or maybe Intel. So let me know in comment section below.